Hi everyone, this is Meet, and today's list is about the top 7 romantic fantasy Korean dramas. Almost all of these dramas are pretty recent, and if your favorite genre is a romantic fantasy, these are must watch Korean dramas. The first drama on this list is The King Eternal Monarch. This drama has 16 episodes and it stars Lee Min Ho and Kim Gon. It also stars Woo Do Hwan. This drama is an impossible love story with a very strong fantasy element where you get multiple timelines and multiple dimensions, and all of this is connected. So you have to use your brains a little to kind of understand the story, but you can follow the storyline, it's not impossible. One of the strong points of this drama would be its very strong story. The plot line is complicated, but its resolution is very satisfying. The second drama on this list is Strong Woman Do Bong Soon. Now, this drama stars Park Bo Young, Park Young Shik, and Jisoo. This drama has Park Bo Young playing a girl who has superhuman strength, which is passed down through generations. And Park Young Shik plays a really lonely chaebol. You get a very cutesy kind of romance. The build up of the chemistry between the two leads is very sweet, and it is the best part of this drama. The fantasy element of this drama is not at the top, because the only fantasy about this drama is the superhuman strength that is passed down through generations. It is basically a rom com with a fantasy twist. This drama also has 16 episodes. The third drama on this list is Goblin. It has 16 episodes and it is one of the most famous Korean dramas. This is definitely going to be counted as a classic in the future. Goblin is also known as Guardian, the Lonely and Great God. This drama stars Gong Yoo playing the Tokkebi and the Goblin. And it also stars Kim Gon. Yes, she has featured twice in this list already. And it has Lee Dong Wook and Yuina. Now, this drama has two couples, and obviously, because this talks about an immortal god, there is going to be some historical elements as well, but they do not dominate the drama. The fantasy element of this drama is a strong feature because it is deeply involved in the storyline. This series is definitely known for its romance, but I think it should also be known for its bromance. The first drama on this list is W2 Worlds. It stars Lee Jong Suk and Han Yo Joo. W2 Worlds has Lee Jong Suk playing a webtoon hero and Han Yo Joo playing a cardiothoracic resident. She finds herself in the world of the webtoon, and this webtoon was written by her father. It's a romantic dramedy with the very obvious element of fantasy because it is another dimension. There's our world and it is the webtoon world. The ending of the story was very satisfying. This drama also has 16 episodes. The fifth drama on this list is The Beauty Inside. This drama stars So Hyun Jin, Lee Min Ki, and An Jae Yoon. This drama has an actress who changes her appearance once a month, try and deal with the consequences of this very peculiar situation. The fantasy element of this series is the actress's situation that she changes once a month, and it is very unpredictable. She ends up meeting a CEO who has face blindness. The best thing about this drama is the apprehension and the chemistry between the two leads. The sixth drama on this list is Abyss. Abyss is not a particularly famous drama, but it is worth your time. The story is good. It might seem illogical at times, but then it is a fantasy drama, so what else can you expect? It is supposed to be illogical. This drama stars An Yo Suk and Park Bo Young. Yes, Park Bo Young is another actress who has appeared twice in this list. There is this object which can bring someone back to life, and the hero of the series, who's a rich able, ends up using it accidentally, and then he uses it to revive his best friend. They come back to life in another physical appearance. There's a lot of backstory involved here with Grim Reapers and everything, but there is a villain in this. There's a thriller aspect also in this drama. If you've not heard of Abyss or if you've not seen it before, I would recommend this drama to you if you're waiting for some other dramas to complete, or if you're waiting for your ongoing drama to feature next week. You can watch this drama in the meantime. The last drama on this list is the very classic My Love from the Star. It is a drama from 2013. It has 16 episodes. It stars Kim Soo-yeon and Jun Jae-yeon. This drama is about an alien who's stranded on Earth and meets an actress, a very annoying actress who becomes his neighbor. He starts developing feelings for her, but he's an alien. There's this impossibility of their love and how it resolves and what happens to them. Most of you would have seen this drama already. But to those of you who are new to Korean dramas, this drama should be on your watch list. So that's about it for romantic fantasy Korean dramas, and I'll see you next time. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.